Hi, welcome back to the garden. Today is Wednesday, March 15th. We did get some leaves damaged from that last frost, but only some. I think we'll be okay. Almost 60 degrees right now. It's gonna be okay tonight. Then tomorrow, we got a chance of thunderstorms. Then Friday, there's a chance of snow. This one had less mulch up around it, and a couple of these Asian greens got bit off on the side. There's a couple of the beet tops that froze just a little bit, but the rest of that looks pretty good. Anything that had any size to it did okay. And just take a look at how well these tomatoes are doing that I brought into the house. Our iceberg lettuce, our cabbages here, they're doing tremendous. But it is going to get down to 23 degrees on Saturday. And I got a surprise just in the nick of time. So let's see what we got. Excellent. What I was hoping. The Suncore T7 seedling heat mat. See what we have here. Instruction manual. Got the wires. Got the heat mat. Now I went with the 4-foot. And these Berkey seed trays already have a pan on them. What I like about this is it's got a thermostat, so we can set it and it'll kick off when it gets too warm. Our digital outlet controller. One of our viewers recommended this, so I'm going to get this all hooked up and we'll see if this works. And all we're trying to do is just keep this room just above freezing. Intro to growing tomatoes. Well, that's not what they're growing in there. Well, we'll see if this does the trick. I'm not going to need this till Friday night, so I'm not going to bore you with running an extension cord and trying to get it all set up right now. I'm just very pleased at how big that is. And if you follow my story, you'll see if it works or not. And you know, when I do a review on something, I'm going to tell you the truth. If it doesn't work, I'm going to tell you. If it works good, I'm going to tell you. I guess with 2 outlets, they think I need to get another one of these. I want to see if this one works before I get another one. Now, I'm not getting paid for this. And if I don't like it, I'm going to box it back up and send it back. Check on the beets. Check on the beets. I've been in Oklahoma for 30 years. Last 2 weeks of March, usually we get some kind of weather. It's been known to snow. I remember the one year we got 2 feet of snow the last week of March. Last year, it frosted hard the second week of April. Spring is almost here. It's 5 days away. But it ain't here yet. Riley and I want to thank you for coming by the garden and helping us unbox our heat mat. Till next time, take care of yourself, take care of your family. Yes. And God bless you. Oh, good boy. Let's go to the house. Come on, let's plant. Let's go plant garden.